Hey guys, welcome back to another episode on how to log in. Safeway is one of the largest food and drug retailers in the United States with both a strong local presence and national scale. The company operates stores across 35 states and the District of Columbia under 20 well-known banners. Now, if you also want to get registered or logged in to your Safeway account and want Safeway app on your device, then this video will help you to get Safeway app on your device. Now, in order to get Safeway app, you need to firstly head over to the Play Store or App Store on your device. Now there you have to search for Safeway, and there you will see this type of interface on your screen. Now to get the Safeway on your device, you need to tap on install button at the top right of your screen, and there the app will start to download. Now here your app has been downloaded and already installed to your device. Now if you want to open up your Safeway app, then you can tap on open button at the bottom of your screen. And once you tap on open button, you will be directly taken to the home page of Safeway. Now that's all it takes to download Safeway app on your device. Hope you liked and found this video useful. If you did, make sure to subscribe, share and give this video a thumbs up. Now that's gonna be all for this video, and I will be back with more videos like this.